Hello beautiful people and welcome back to another video. I am Milton Jacobo, or Ashton, that works too. And today I'll be showing you our sort of new puzzle box, the Vault. Now, the reason I'm showing you this one today is because series 2 of our Egyptian series, The Pyramid, stay tuned, is taking longer than expected. So today I'll be showing you this one. I think it's around 12 steps-ish. It's got some pretty cool mechanisms, and yeah, let's jump right into it. Okay, so here we got the vault. So I assume we start with our classic 1x8 tile tool. Now, thing that we always do, we go through all the sides. So on this side you have a little drawer or something that can come out, but it is locked. It has a hole here but doesn't have anything on the other side. Okay, so we'll take a look at this side. We have a port here, we have a port here. One side of this port is actually slightly deeper, if you look. Yeah, it actually goes deeper, if you can see. I'm not sure if you can. Here we have an access port, but there is a white 1x2 back there, but can't do anything with that port. Flip it over here. We have an access port here. You have this weird kind of corner port here. We have this access port here, but it's blocked. And then we have a port here, but it's blocked. Take a look at the top. We've got this little spinning wheel that we use kind of as a giant vault combination. But this has nothing to do with the puzzle. It just for show. And we take a look at the bottom here. It just looks like a base, so. Okay, let's get started. So we'll pick a side with the most holes. So that would be this side. So we'll start with this side. So there may be something to slide, push, weird diagonal, wiggle, wiggle, go to this side, push, push, slide, wiggle. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see, but this 1x2 must be a tile then. This 1x2 tile is starting to slide, so if we pull it to the side like that, now we have this access port back here, and I just pushed something. Oh, now there is a little thing sticking out in here, and now this access port is open. I went all the way in. Okay. So it means there's poking to this side. I don't think anything really happened to this side. It all looks the exact same. This one's still slightly deeper. Oh wait, we had an access port here before. So, can we push this back in? Oh yeah, this was the white tile. Okay, so we can't push that back in for some reason. So it must have done some. What was that? There's this little thing that came out. Okay, so we'll poke that back in, and I'll poke it from this side. Just watch it. Slides out like that. Now this little wall piece came out, but I don't. Now we do that. Possibly this port. Yeah. You go into the deeper port and slide into the less deep port, which pulls out this wall. I think that's as far as it goes. must have done something. Here's something inside. Oh, or outside. There's a button on the bottom, so what if we push this button and pull? No? Okay. You're probably missing something. We didn't do anything with this access port. So that must mean that it could possibly just be a reset. So if we go to the other side here, where does that kind of connect to? This hole's right here, which if we travel up is right here. So you travel across this line of studs, leads to here. So this, that tile went in. Okay, so now if we push the button up, there used to be a jiggling inside and outside because of the button, but now there's no jiggling inside. Wait, so do we try now? No, it doesn't do anything. So push this, that does that. Now you can hear the inside thing. Oh, well, that came out. I don't know what I did. There's this little thing here. I think this was the thing going up and down inside. If we actually pry open this, just this black plate here, there's this access port that goes down to here, and it's just a little bit taller so that it can't get pulled out. So you have to flip it upside down and then poke this, or you don't even have to poke it, you just have to hold it upside down. And then if we take a look inside here, let me grab my little light so you guys can see that inside here is, this is the lever here, and it hooks on to the back of the drawer right here. So I guess let's reset it. That is the vault. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is kind of a beginner's puzzle, but it's still really cool. If this video gets 20 likes, I will show a blurred sneak peek of our puzzle box in progress. I'll show you aspects of it. 20 likes. Make sure to smash that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and leave a like below, so then I can continue to make more content like this and bring you even bigger and better puzzle boxes. I hope you have a wonderful day, and see you all next time.